Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I was gonna post a video Saturday, but I had plans with my girlfriend. Anyways, I'll be installing a splitter today, and hopefully I'm able to do it just because it's big and it's kind of heavy. If not, I'm gonna call one of my friends to see if they're down to come and help me. If not, I'll try installing it myself. But before that, I am gonna clean my car a bit just because it's kind of messy and it does need a wash because it's really dirty. But other than that, I'll get right into the video. My car needs a wash. I don't know if you guys could see that because of the sun, but it's dirty. I don't know what I went over, but it's really dirty, and it got to the mirror. Also, I don't know if you guys could see that. My bumper's dirty. Same with the other side. So after installing the splitter, I'm gonna be taking it for a wash because it needs a wash too. It also has cat footprints or paw prints on the hood, because we do have a lot of cats over here in Watts. So after installing the splitter, I'm gonna be taking it to wash. I was able to get the bumper off, but it's so dirty, and I don't know if I should clean it just because of it's the inside. And I'm gonna be cutting off this bottom thing off the bumper because I won't need it no more, and I am gonna have the splitter for that extra support, so I won't be needing this. And I'm thinking about getting the carbon fiber lip maybe, but I still don't know about that. And that's how the bumper looks right now. So this is the splitter, and these are the chassis mounts that I'm gonna be using. They're Yagi. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, let me know in the comments. But other than that, I forgot where I got them from, but if I find the link again, I'll leave it down in the description. And I'm just gonna get right into it. So these mounts, and I have some sandwich plates that are gonna go, I don't know if you guys can see that because of the sun, but they go in here, so I'll show you guys right now in a bit how it looks and how it should look. So there's a sandwich plate, and it has like these little holes or circles around the hole that are meant to go in there. I don't know if you guys can see, but you put this in there like this, and it keeps it from moving. And then to screw it, it's gonna be hard just because it's from the inside, but if I struggle, I'm gonna try finding another way. But if not, then I should be alright. Another thing that's good when you order the chassis mounts, you also get hardware. Cause I know some spots you just get the mounts and you have to buy your own hardware, or they sell them separate. But they sell them with the mounts, and that's a good thing for me. I almost forgot to give a shout out to OMA Racing. On Instagram is o.ma racing. I'll leave a link on the description down below, but he custom made me this splitter. I didn't get it from a website or a shop. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. I drank a Coke. Oh, excuse me. I'm pretty sure he makes them for other cars as well, if you ask. I think I got mine like within 3 or 4 days. I really don't remember, but it was pretty fast. And he leaves this on just in case you have to do any markings on it. That way you won't write on your splitter, and then once it's done, you peel it off. It also comes with end plates, and I probably won't be doing this, installing this in this video, maybe in another one. But if I have time, I'll install it in this one. But other than that, yeah. So if you guys need splitters, just DM them on Instagram. And then one thing I like about the brackets is that they have this, so like you could slide it just in case like you want it a little bit longer. You could say your splitter like more aggressive, or if you don't want it to be showing that much, so you could adjust it pretty much. And that's what I'm gonna be doing once I have the splitter installed. So I finally have the brackets on, and I struggled so much with this side just because I don't know if you guys can see, but it gets on the way. So hopefully it has to be this much forward, that way I could fix the other side and adjust it. But I'm not gonna worry about this no more for right now. I'm going to have to set up my bumper to cut off this section on it, put the bumper back on, my bad, and try to figure out the height that I need the splitter to be with the bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. It's not the best cut, but it's cut, and now that it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and place it on top of the splitter, and with my marker I'm gonna trace around where the lip's supposed to be. That way I have an idea of where the bracket should go and how forward I want it to be, my bad. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then hopefully I finish it today. I am running out of daylight, but hopefully I get it done. So I have it marked, but for me, I feel like it's not sticking out enough. Like it's not that aggressive. So once I install it, with these brackets, you are able to push it in. Push it forward a little bit more. So that's what I'm gonna do, and hopefully it sticks out a little bit more and it looks a little bit better. But so right now I'm gonna be getting the bottom chassis mounts, and I'm gonna be putting those on, and I'm gonna try seeing the height as well. So this is how it's supposed to look. I'm running out of daylight, but I'm basically done already. I just have to drill in the holes to the splitter and then just screw on the splitter to the chassis mounts. I still need to put some reinforcement right here on the side from here to here, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that today, and if not, I'll probably do it tomorrow. But I'm gonna get the drill in, and then hopefully I get to this part so it could be installed, because it is my daily, and if it's not installed, then that means I have to get a ride from someone, well, my girlfriend, but hopefully I finish it. So here is how it looks finished. I didn't record this just because I ran out of time, but it has a small bolt on, and then right here on the side it has rivet nuts. I just put 3 brackets. Hopefully it doesn't fly off. Same with the other side. I got this bracket with the little screw and some rivet nuts down. It's kind of dark, so you can't really see it, so I'm gonna wait for tomorrow to give you guys a better look at it after work. And another thing I forgot, I had these brackets where, you can see this bolt, you put it here, but mine's a little bit too long, so I need to cut it, and then you put another L bracket to the bottom right here. So it's supposed to be like this, kinda like that, down with the L bracket, so it could have more support and it could be more stable. But I don't have the tools to drill a hole in on it, so that's that, and hopefully when I drive it doesn't fly off. So this is the end result. I put a little screw, some rivet nuts. I could have added more brackets, I just didn't want to have it full with brackets, and this is how it looks so far. Thank you guys for watching my video. I know I kind of suck at editing, and I ran out of time last night, so I installed it without recording some parts. So hopefully I didn't miss anything, and if I did, my bad. But I'm still getting used to this. I'm still getting better, and honestly, I don't know much about installing or anything. Like, I'm basically kind of new. This is my first car that I own that I'm actually doing a build on. So sorry if I sound like I don't know what I'm talking about, and it's because I don't. And I'm learning as I go. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Just like and subscribe for more videos.